आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस पेपर 2 जी सेट अगस्त 17-15, जहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आइडेंटिफाई कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। यहाँ पे जो चार ऑप्शन है हम वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि लाइब्रेरी मैनेजर लाइब्रेरी ऑटोमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है, ई प्रिंट भी लाइब्रेरी ऑटोमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है, लिप्सिस भी लाइब्रेरी ऑटोमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है। तो जो बाकी रहा वो तो ड्रूपल, तो आंसर आएगा ड्रूपल जो कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर है। सेकंड ISBD, CR is revised from ISBD-S. Third, subject heading and thesauri are typical example of controlled vocabulary. Fourth, which is not a web browser? Solaris is not a web browser. Fifth, National Medical Library of India is mainly a blank library in the field of medical and allied science. So it is the reference library. Ubuntu is primarily an operating system. Seventh, National Digital Library of India is a part of the online services of the IIT Kharagpur. 8. Which managerial approach views that the power of a certain office stems from the person holding it and the same position might carry much different influence when occupied by different person is known as directive. A strategy that ties together all the objectives, policies, procedures, rules and budgets into a single plan is known as grand strategy. 10th, Cranfield project was associated with indexing. Next, a dictionary that traces the origin of word is known as etymological dictionary. Word net is an ontology. Identify the non-probability sampling techniques among the following. Answer is purposive. Next, the method designed for use in defining judgmental data collection from a panel of a selected expert is Delphi method. Identify the following that does not come under user education. C. Observing users' information seeking behavior is not. Zero-based budgeting means all proposal for income and expenditure will need to be justified. Which of the following is classically known as Morku binding, full leather binding? In mark record structure, which component is an indexing to the location of variable length field within record? Answer is directory. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. The answer is A. First, lines of thoughts, Morning Line, Organization of Knowledge, Jennifer Rowe, Essay of an Information Scientist, E.Q. Garfield, Classification and Indexing in Science, B.C. Vickery. Library Association is known as Chartered Institute of Library and Information Professionals. Library cess is a surcharge on an existing text. Which of the following is a primary document? Science. Which of the following sequence of terms for indexing is recommended? Things, material and action. When an abstract is oriented to serve a special group is called as slanted abstract. In the universal decimal classification, the colon indicates phase relation. Which of the following area formal channel of information communication, patents and standard, research reports and journal articles are the formal channels of information communication? Which of the following is not covered by copyright? Trademarks. Which of the following is a type of bibliometric method? Content analysis. Who among the following is associated with the library course offered at Imperial Library, Calcutta in 1935? Khan Bahadur Asdullah. The Telegraph is a newspaper. A trend report is a primary source of information. A subject made of a basic class and one or more isolate is said to be a compound class or subject. Match the following and select the correct answer from the following. Fusion. Fusion is a medical jurisprudence. Loose assemble. Loose assemble is influence of human physiology on disease. Lamination. Lamination is curriculum for university education in India 2017. Distillation. Distillation is management theory. So answer is A. Johari window. Johari window is a concept that has originated from psychology. Half-life in information science relate to rate of obsolescence. P knots is a specific feature of universal decimal classification. When the distribution contains very high or very low scores, the most appropriate measure of central tendency may be the medium. The purpose of the Telnet protocol is to provide a bidirectional communication facility. The doubling core element set consists of 15 elements that can be divided into the following three groups. First, control of the resources. Second, resources when viewed as an intellectual property. Third, issue of resources instantiation. Sorry, issue of resources instantiation. The message that is conveyed through body language, facial expression is a non-verbal communication. In which of the following selection methods each member of the population has an equal chances of getting selected? The lottery method of sampling. Hypertext transfer protocol belongs to the application layer of the OSI model. According to the General Financial Rules 2005 of Ministry of Finance Government of India, how many books are considered a reasonable loss for every 1000 volumes of a book? 5 books per year. The latest printed edition of International Encyclopedia of the Social Science is the second edition. Use of parentheses to group portion of Boolean queries for more complex searches is known as nesting. Blank approach allows a concentrated focus on a single phenomena and the utilization of a wide variety of data gathering methods is known as case study. Which of the following canons of array would ensure that no two classes of the array overlap and there are no cross classification in canon of exclusiveness? A subject of great extension and small intention usually embodied in a whole book, single volume or multi-volume is a macro subject. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. The information today and tomorrow related with NISAT. Library trends is related with University of Illusions. Dissertation abstract international is related with the University Microfilms International. Science citation index is related with the Web of Science. So answer is C. Which budgeting techniques has the element of inflexibility in it? Answer is line item budget. Thank you.